I'm going to tell you a story about a superboy and a supergirl. And they were very, very strong. Their pace was very fast. They could do anything they wanted. They looked beautiful. Their skin, teeth, hair, everything was gorgeous. And it all happened because of vegetables. So you're going to have to make up a story like that in which you can relate all the good desirable qualities that any person wants to different kinds of vegetables. It needs a bit of research, but actually every vegetable has its own color, its nutritional value, and there's all this about the vitamins, different ones for everything. Find out a little bit, create stories. The famous one in my childhood used to be about a comic character called Popeye, who'd eat spinach and his muscles would bump up like that, and he could fly, he could conquer enemies, all because of spinach. So have fun telling stories.